Hey y'all, it's cold up in here, but we can warm it up. Hallelujah! But welcome back to Shalom Meadows, the place where we're flipping this rundown 1960s, 70s house into our home. Go back, watch some videos, watch some shorts. You'll see where we're at. But we're gonna continue part 32 of doing the walls, the sheetrock, so on and so forth. I know part 32, you're like, oh my gosh. But hey, we can't help it. I mean, it's just us. We're Shalom Meadows. There's none like us. So remember, we're gonna have other things coming as well. But we want to get this stuff done. Get it boom, bang, shika, wang, wang. Get it all done. And thank you for coming back. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, click that notification bell so you know when we got videos coming out. And don't forget to drop a comment about anything. Let's go, y'all. Yeah, but the issue is I'm gonna be all the way up there.
An extension cord, remember?
Well, duh. I knew that. That's usually my life. I come up with an idea, say it first, and then I forget completely, and somebody else says it, and then. More tired. When you do a lot of writing, your arm gets tired. Do a bunch of paperwork. What I was saying is I'm getting back to mudding those spots on the wall and gotta let them dry, then sand them again. Yeah, this might the end of this video is probably going to conclude part 32 of doing the wall, and the reason why is because we gotta let it dry, and then we have to we gotta find time to sand. We don't want to make you guys wait for too long on the same video. So yeah, I'm having to stir this thing again because of the weather. It's been cold, so it's kind of weird. It's been cold. You think it would dry it out, but it's keeping it liquidy. And you think it being hot, it would keep it liquidy, but I think the hot dries it out. So I don't know. Maybe, I don't know. I don't know what I'm talking about. Backwards. Yeah, so I'm going to keep doing this until it's thick enough. And then I'm going to jump up there. Not really to jump, because that would be a vertical leap, buddy. To be able to float in the air while you jump in mud. But yeah. We want to do all this before we get the floor down, of course. And this guy I was working with asked how the house was going. I told him the same thing, and he said, "You know what? That's a good idea." And I'm like, "Well, I hope so. To paint everything before we put the floor down." So, yeah. Wouldn't it be a miracle to get this house done? Yes, it would. Wacky come backy. Where did I just put that stuff? Oh, over there. Achoo! Y'all hear that mouse sneeze? Oh! I can't get in here.
Oh no!
Ooh-wee. The other spider over here is dead.
Really?
Oh, no, fake laugh.
outside.
We're done doing that. We're done doing that, so we gotta let it dry, and then and then sand it again. I kind of globbed it a little bit in there because I couldn't reach it. So when we do sand it, it's gonna get our pretty floor dirty. But thank y'all for coming back. I hope that you join us on the next video. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Click that notification bell so you know when we got videos coming out. And always keep the peace. Shalom, y'all.